Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you one of my best favorite Windows tips and tricks. So it might be very good if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8 to upgrade to the Windows 10. So there are certain points in time in the workplace where you might leave your PC for some time and wouldn't want anyone to put through your PC. There's a cool feature within the Windows 10 operating system that enables you to lock your Windows PC when you are away with your phone and doesn't allow anybody to actually peep through to see what you are doing within. So what you do is to come to the settings menu, click on settings, come to devices, you put on your Bluetooth, and what you are going to do here is to actually pair your PC to your phone. You click on add Bluetooth and then you click on Bluetooth, and what it's doing is that it's looking for your device. My device has been found here. You click on it, it's connecting, and then there's a pin that comes on your phone. You pair it and then you connect it and then you click done. So what it has done here is actually my PC was paired with my phone. So after this, you come back again, you come to the accounts option and you come to sign in options, and what you're going to do here is to come to the dynamic lock and then you enable it, and after enabling it you see it looking for my paired device. So now you can see my phone has been paired with a Bluetooth with my PC. Tip number 2, video editor. Do you know that the Windows 10 PC has its own video editor? Let me show you. You come to the taskbar menu, come to the taskbar, type in video editor here. Wow! And what happens is that the video editor opens in the Photos app. You just come and add a project here, type in the project. Let's just type in something inside, and within the video editor you can just upload any file you have. You can see timeline, you can just arrange it and you could edit it. You can add text, you could add emotions, you could add filters, and you could add background music, custom audio, and after you finish everything you can export it either to Vimeo, Bluetooth, or even OneDrive. So this is an inbuilt video audio editor. If you are on a tight budget, you could use this video editor. Tip number 3, I want to show you how you can easily use emojis on Windows 10. To use the emojis, all you need to do is to click on the Windows key and this semicolon key to bring up click on the emojis key, and you could pretty well choose any type of emojis you want, and this one pretty well works very well. So with Windows 10, this is pretty well how to easily use emojis on the Windows 10 PC. Tip number 4 is dark mode. Most of the times during the night your screen looks brighter and you might want to reduce the brightness of your screen just to relax you a little bit, and so there's an inbuilt dark mode that enables you to do just that. So you come to the taskbar here and type in dark mode. You come to the color settings here, you click on it, and here what it does is that it enables you to choose any kind of color you want throughout the night. You can see that it's a little bit darker. Any color you want, you could choose it within here and it will reflect on anything you do. You come here, you could mix adjustment to the color of your screen here, the transparent effects, and you can also choose accent color on maybe the start bar, the task bar, and all other things. And you could choose, this is a light color that I'm currently using. You could put it on your dark mode, and you see that the screen has changed. And what happens is that when you choose this kind of settings, your other apps on your Windows 10 respectively adjust its settings to this type of color. So anything you do on your PC becomes darker, or the screen reflects a darker mode and enables you to perform actions on your computer as you desire. So this is an inbuilt color mode, dark mode, that enables you to adjust the color the way you want it during the night. Perhaps maybe during the night you might not want a brighter color like that. You might put it on darker mode just to relax your eyes a little bit and all that. With the Windows cool feature known as the storage sense, you are able to delete temporary or unnecessary files on your PC. Let me show you. You come to the taskbar menu and type in storage sense. You type in storage settings. You can see the storage settings here. Click on it, and you come to storage sense. You're on it, and then you click on change how we free up space automatically. And here what it does is settings that will make the PC adjust, or in other words delete temporary or unnecessary files on your PC. So you come here and you change it to every month, and the temporary files every 30 days is okay, and you delete files in my folder if they have been there for over. I normally put it never because of certain files that I probably need. And then after that you click on clean now, and what it does is it's able to clean up unnecessary files from your PC just like that. So you can see it has been cleaned. There's a mark on it that shows that it has been cleaned. So I think this comes in handy and is an inbuilt in the Windows 10 operating system. Tip number 6, night light. There are certain points in time where you use your PC for quite a long time, especially during the night, and there's this kind of blue rays that emits from the blue screen, which cause certain point in time discomfort through your brain, and actually makes your brain feel as if it's daytime, and then that prevents you from sleeping. And then there's a cool feature within the Windows 10 that enables you to adjust the color of your screen the way you want it. So let me show you. You come to the taskbar and type night light. You can see night light here. Click on it, and here you could adjust the color of the screen the way you want it. You can adjust the color the way you want it, and the way you feel like your eyes aren't hurting, and the way you feel like you want it. And you could even schedule it around the time that you want it to take effect. If you ever had a family member who is not a computer savvy, I'm sure they've asked you to help them. But the most frustrating thing is when you try to help them through the phone and you can't see their screen. Luckily, Windows 10 has a cool feature known as the Quick Assist that helps you connect to his computer, take control of his computer, and just make that quick edit for such a person. So to launch the program, you come to the taskbar, type in quick assist, and there should be an internet connection. You can get assistant. You can also give assistant. So if you are trying to help somebody, what you need to do is just click here, and what happens is you just input your email, and the code is generated for you, and then you give that code to the other person on the other side, and then the other person also inputs the code over here, and then at that point in time you are able to see their screen, and if possible make that quick edits for such a person. I think this is a new cool feature that I love so much in Windows 10. Hello guys, and so those were my 7 Windows 10 tips and tricks. Hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, and hit on the notification button for new video releases. Hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.